Look no further than the 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.